We all get really busy with everything that's going on in our lives and all of the travels and the things that we're doing. And you know what? One of the neglected things that we forget about is the tires.
Yeah.
And its depth. And you know, they're a critical component of your vehicle for safety.
Especially with the winters here.
Right? So no matter the season, you want to always make sure that your tires are performing at their peak. And when they're getting close to where they should be changed out, you kind of need to be monitoring and watching that. So what is a recommended tire tread depth first?
What we're looking for is more than 430 seconds left on the tread.
That's not a whole lot, actually, 430
No, it's
seconds. Not. And what about when it's getting closer to the replacing part?
So when we get to 330 seconds, we want to monitor those tires very closely to tread left. Mm-hmm. When it gets to 230 seconds, that means replace your tires immediately.
That's it. No more driving on those tires.
Right, you need new tires.
For your safety, for the performance of the vehicle, for fuel economy, for all of these reasons.
Right.
So keep a close eye on the tread depth. Besides bringing your vehicle into the dealership to have a mechanic check it for you, how do we go about assessing the tread depth?
Well, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can check that.
Perfect.
So the first way to check your tires is with a tread depth gauge. So all you do with this is poke it out, pop it into the tread on the tire, and from there we can read out here that this tire is at approximately 430 seconds left. What you want to do is make sure you check this on multiple areas of the tire, just in case, like this tire, you've got uneven wear from one side to the other side. The next way that we can measure the tires is with the tread wear bar indicator. So as you can see at different places in the tire, we've got a bar here, and that's going to indicate when your tire is at 230 seconds left. So if your tread is even with these bars, you need to immediately replace your tires. If it's been a while since you've had your tires checked, come on by for a free tire consultation.
That's right. Part of our pit stop special, we're going to use this special tool. It's a laser alignment mobile inspection unit. And we're going to use that laser to run across your entire tread grooves and let you know exactly how they're wearing and whether or not you need an alignment.
Perfect.
Thanks very much for joining us, and come and see us at the dealership at 2540 Broadmoor Boulevard in Sherwood Park.